Assalamu alaikum grade 2. I hope you all are fine. This is lecture number 4, chapter number 2, addition and subtraction. Today we are going to discuss about subtraction. As you already know that subtraction means one number is take away from another number. So how you can subtract two numbers? As you can see on your screen, there are two numbers. You have to subtract 25 from 68. So first of all, you write a greater number at upper position. Write the number in a correct place value. As you can see on your screen, you write 8 at the place of ones and tens at the place of, and 6 at the place of tens. Similarly, 5 is at the place of ones and 2 is at the place of tens. So how you can subtract these numbers? Always start from ones. So you have to subtract ones first. These are 8 blocks which shows ones. Now what you have to subtract? You have to subtract number 5. It's mean you cut down 5 blocks from these 8 blocks. So how you cut down? You just cut 5 blocks, and how many blocks are left? Yes, there are 3 blocks left. Similarly, at tens place, what you have here? 6 bars of tens. Now you have to cut down 2 bars from here. So how many bars are there? Yes, 4 bars are left. So you just write 4 and this is 3. So when you subtract 25 from 68, you will get 43. Now next example is, as you can see, there are ones, tens and 100 place. So it's mean you have to subtract 23 from 437. You always write greater number at upper position and smaller number at lower position. So when you arrange the number according to the place value, just start from ones place. So you have to subtract number 3 from number 7. As you can see, there are 7 blocks, single blocks at ones place. So when you cut down 4 blocks, you will get 3 blocks, you will get 4. So you write here 4 at the place of ones because there are 4 blocks left. Similarly, there are total 3 bars of 10. You can see here 3 bars of tens and you cut down 2 bars. So you will have only 1 bar of 10. So you write here 1 at tens place because there are only 1 tens left. Now at 100 place, there are these 4 blocks of 100 which shows 400. So there is nothing to subtract under 4. So it's mean you directly write 4 here. So when you subtract 23 from 437, you will get 414. Next example, there are again 3 place values, ones, tens and hundreds. There are 6 balls at ones place and you have to cut down 3 balls. The remaining balls are 3. So you write here 3. There are 4 total balls at tens place and you cut down 2 and the remaining balls are 2. Then at 100 place, we have 8 balls here and we cut 3 balls, then 5 balls are remaining. So you will get 523. See, next example. There are again two numbers. We have to subtract 152 from 375. See carefully. There is again a greater number. At first place, there must be a greater number. We always subtract smaller number from the greater number. So you can see how it is greater. You can see the 100 place. It's 100 place 3 and it's 100 place 1. So 3 is greater than 1. So it's mean this number is greater. Now we have to subtract this number. How we subtract? We just start from ones. Here is 5 is at ones and there is 2 at once. So it's mean you have to cut down 2 single blocks at once from total 5. So what you will get? You will get 3 ones here. See, when you cut down 2 ones, you will get 3. Next place is tens. There are total 7 bars of tens and you cut down 5 bars. So there are 2 tens are left. At 100 place, there are total 3 blocks, 3 squares of block. So you have to cut down 100. 100 mean 1 square of block you cut. And how many are left? Yes, 200. So 223 are left. Now subtracting with regrouping or carrying. What regrouping mean? It means we take one number from tens. How we can take? Just see the example. And we always start from ones. Now you see at here. There must be a greater number, but this is 0 and this is 3. Can you subtract 3 from 0? No, we can't subtract 3 from 0. So what we have to do? We just borrow one number or 1 tens from tens place. The next place of ones is tens. So you can take one number from tens place. This is 5. You can borrow one number and you write here. So this is 10. And now you regroup this number, because 10 is equals to 10 ones. So you take 10 ones from tens and add in it. So this is now 10. This means regrouping. Now you can easily subtract 3 from tens. So this is 1 bar of 10 and you subtract 3 tens and you will get 7 ones. So we write here 7. Now move at tens place. As you take one number from tens. So this is not 5 here. That's why we cut down 5 and write here 4. So it's mean there are remaining 4 bars of tens. So you just subtract 3 from 4, not 5. So when you subtract 3 from 4, you will get 1. So its answer is 17. Another example. We want to subtract 25 from 62. So how we can subtract this number? Start from ones place. Again, can you subtract 5 from 2? No. But it doesn't mean that you subtract 2 from 5. Never. You always use this number, greater number, to subtract the smaller number. So you take or borrow one number from 6. This is now 5, and this 2. When we take from tens, one number means 10 ones. So 10 ones plus 2 is equals to 12. So it's not 2 or not 3. This is 12. So when we subtract 5 from 12, as you can see from here, now how many are left? Yes, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7. Number 7 or 7 ones are left here. Now move at tens place. You subtract 2 bars from 5. Why 5? Because these bars are 5. 1 bar, you shift 1 bar here, which makes 12. So you not count this bar, you just count these 5 bars. When you cut down 2 bars, the remaining bars are 3. Another example. Again, start from ones. You cannot subtract 7 from 2. So you carry one number from here, and this will must be 4, and this is not 2 anymore. This is 12 now. Why 12? Because when you take 1 tenths mean 10 ones. So 10 ones mean you add 10 ones in this 2. So this is 12 now. You subtract 7 from number 12 and you will get 5. Again, there is 4 and you subtract 3 from 4. So you get 15. In next example, you see ones. At ones place, both numbers are same. So when you subtract 5 from 5, you will get 0. Now move at tens place. There is number 8 and there is number 9. You have to subtract number 9 from 8, but you can't subtract smaller number, greater number from smaller number. So you just regroup them, or you borrow one number from 100 place. You borrow one number and add it in tens place. So this is now 18. So 18. You subtract 9 from 18, you will get 9. And what number comes here? Yes, number 1. Why? Because there is no more 2. Because you borrow one number and move it at tens place. Now there are some languages of subtraction which we use in word problems. We have to solve word problems, and when use these language in word problem, you always do subtraction. What are these languages? It's difference, left, minus, remains, how many more, or taken away. So whenever these words or these languages are there in word problems, you have to do subtraction here. Okay, now this is your homework. Do book page number 38, 41, 42, 45 and 46. Thank you.